Before we get started, guys, please like, subscribe for more content like this. Thank you.
Afternoon all, lunchtime. I'm heading back from a location, and a mate of mine, Lionel, gave me a place to check out a hamburger. Weir Street in Brighton. It's on my way home, so I'm gonna go and check it out. He reckons it's old school, from a fish and chip shop. So let's see if Lionel's right. So I'm outside the fish and chip shop. He doesn't want me to video him making it. That's fine, that's not a problem. So we'll check it out. There was no list there. I basically had to tell him what to put into the burger. So Lionel, if this is shit, I'm coming for you. Well, Lionel, thanks for the referral. I got my hamburger. Obviously I can't eat it in there. There's no room to eat in there. I'm gonna come after you if this is crap. But hey, let's just try it first. Let's not make judgments. It looks okay. Have a look at that. Let's taste it. Old school. Wow, this is nice. Yummo. Just simple. Lettuce, egg, bacon, with a nice crispy patty, and the bun was actually toasted really nice. So have a look at that. Oh, this is nice. Thanks, Lionel. Appreciate the referral. And it was bloody cheap too. It was $7. So I'll shout you one next time we meet, Lionel. Is it the best? Have to wait and see. But it's nice. So I asked the guy, can I video you making the burger? He was okay, and then his plumpy little wife came out and said, no. I said, oh, okay. So no lost points. I'm only basing everything on the taste of the burger. So far, so good. Knowing Lionel, he probably was coming back after partying one night and stopped in there after he was absolutely pissed to recover, and he would have had a burger and would have tasted awesome for him. But it does taste good. It was quite nice. There's one thing lacking here. It lacks a little bit of salt or something like that. It just a little bit of something it needs. Is it the best? Is it up there? Well, that burger cost me $7.90. Alright guys, well, thank you for watching. Burger number 8. I guess you'll have to wait till the end. I'm doing 10 burgers, that's it. So 2 more to go. I've got to go to Easy's in Collingwood when we get out of this bloody lockdown. So till next time, ciao for now. Done and dusted.
Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Please like, comment, and subscribe for future content. Thank you. Bye.